Morning guys, gals, Froggy here. A little bit of rain. And yesterday I cut a bunch of palm fronds and seed pods out of my big palm. I just show you that one right there. So now that's done for a while. I had to buy a new ladder. So recycle guys coming today. Trash, green, recycle, So I'm going to cut up these fronds. I got most of them cut, but I thought I'd just show you how this saw is running. I really like this saw. It starts right up, and the blade is still pretty good. I cut a lot of hardwood the other day. You can look at that video if you want to. And this is just me cutting up some palm fronds in the rain. This is just the end of it. It's the last one. So. Arguably, this is more tool than you need for that job, but it just slices. And you saw how quick it started up. So, that's it. Just a little quickie here. Give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel. If you want more from Froggy, do-it-yourself videos, mostly automotive videos. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Here's a little quick shot of the nice case they give you when you buy this saw. I'll put a link in the video. There's a couple of tools they give you. I throw those tools in there and some bar oil in there. Can't fit the gas in there. I guess you could if you had like a little quart gas container, but that's not going to go very far on a job. So there you go. There's a little extra trailer.